Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a 5-minute morning yoga routine, and this is just to help wake us up in the morning and give us a little bit of energy to start our day. So let's get into it.
Every part of me is beautiful, and I finally see I'm a work of art, a masterpiece.
So we'll begin in mountain pose with Tadasana. So maybe your feet are about hip width apart, or they may be together, just depends on your preference. And then to lengthen the spine, we'll lift the shoulders up and back. And your arms will be down by your side. On the inhale, you're going to bring the arms out and up. On the exhale, grab hold of that left wrist and reach over to the right. Coming into a side bend to open up the left side of our body. And then inhale as you come back up to center. Exhale, grab hold of the right wrist. Reach over to the left. Inhale, bringing both arms back up. On the exhale, you're going to lift the chest and reach the arms back, coming into a back bend. And then inhale back up. This time we're going to exhale and come down into chair pose. So imagine that you have an imaginary chair behind you that you're trying to sit in. Make sure you can still see your toes over your knees. Keep the spine long, keep the head in line with the spine. Arms will reach up. This pose is meant to build heat. This is great for waking us up in the morning. And then bring your hands to your heart. Shift your weight into your right foot. Lift the left leg and step back into a high lunge. Now here in your high lunge, you may have to hop that back foot out a little bit just to give yourself some room for stability. Remember to take full breaths. And then we're going to plant that back foot down. Bring the arms up, coming into Warrior One. Take an inhale. When you exhale, turn your torso towards the left. Bring your arms out to the sides. Make sure the back arm is in line with the front. And then your gaze will go back over the front fingertips. Front knee is still bent. And breathe. And from here, we're going to straighten that front leg. Bring your hands to your hips. And then turn your right foot to face the front. And you may have to even your feet out a little bit. Widen your stance. Take an inhale. And then bend from the hips, coming down into a wide forward fold. And then bring your hands to your hips again. Lifting back up. And then from here, we're going to turn that left foot out to the left. You may have to hop this foot out a little bit just to give yourself some room. Bend that front knee and bring the arms out to the side once again. Coming back into Warrior Two. Then you're going to turn this back foot in a little bit. Keep it planted. Bring your torso to face the opposite side. Bring the arms up. Coming back into Warrior One. Remember to take full breaths. And then lift the back heel, coming back into your high lunge. This time we're going to take an inhale. On the exhale, step forward, back into chair pose. Inhale as you rise up. Exhale, grab the right wrist, reach over to the left. Inhale back up to center. Exhale, grab the left wrist, reach over to the right. Inhale. On the exhale, lift the chest and reach back into your back bend. Inhale, back up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Mountain pose.